Hello and welcome to What's Brewing with the Bowling Green Chamber of Commerce, where, like a good cup of coffee, these events can help kickstart your business week. National Women's Small Business Month is coming to a close in October, but don't miss the opportunity to recognize individuals in our community by engaging with us on Facebook. The Bowling Green Holiday Parade is around the corner and it's starting to come together. Our theme? Polar Express, next stop Bowling Green. Be sure to find opportunities to volunteer and participate in that annual event. And WTOL will be there with live coverage. Our ribbon cutting and open house will be held for Sleek Academy. The Chamber would like to congratulate Erica Sleek for bringing her vision to reality. Come to her open house, enjoy some networking, and hear the exciting story of what will happen at Sleek Academy. All these events are available this week through your Bowling Green Chamber of Commerce.